In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method in Lazada. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and how to link a wallet or a card, so checkout is faster and more convenient. Start by opening the Lazada app on your mobile device. Make sure you're on the latest version for the smoothest experience. From the home screen, look toward the bottom menu and head to the account section. This is where all your personal settings and tools live, including the place we need for payments. Once you're in account, look for the option labeled View, or something similar that expands more options on this page. Tap it to reveal the full list. In that expanded menu, find and select Payment Options. This is the hub where you can manage how you pay, and it's also where you'll add anything new. Inside Payment Options, you'll see choices to add a digital wallet or a credit or debit card. If you prefer a digital wallet, choose the wallet option and pick the one you use, like Gcash or Maya. The app will guide you through linking your wallet. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure the details you confirm match what's on your wallet account. You may be asked to authorize the connection or approve a request in your wallet app. Wait for the confirmation message, and once you're back in Lazada, your wallet should appear in your list of payment methods ready for checkout. If you want to use a credit or debit card instead, select the option to add a card. Enter the card details exactly as they appear on the card, including the number, expiration date, and security code. Take a moment to double check everything before you continue. For security, Lazada or your bank might send a one-time code to verify it's really you. Simply enter that code if prompted. After successful verification, your card will be saved to your payment options, so you can use it at checkout without retyping the details. That's all there is to it. Open the Lazada app, go to Account, tap View to expand your options, head into Payment Options, and then add either a digital wallet like Gcash or Maya, or a credit or debit card. Keep your app updated and your connection secure while you do this, and you'll be set. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster, hassle-free checkout on Lazada.